parang hirap buhay mo. Laging may sakit, may wala, may ganyan.
Kaya meron na. Kaya yan.
Ito na. Nagpapinto nga eh. Dapat si mama yan ang kaya ba nila? Kaya na. Ardel, kasal na si Neo. Ito Walker. Sa wall niya lang, ito sa wall niya. Sa wall ba? Actually, sa wall. Bali dalawang game nila Jordan ngayon, no? Kita na ako yung mga ito na naman ako rin after. That's Alzobel. Yung isa? Oo. Ano oras? Okay natin. Wala kasi PM ngayon na ano eh. Baka sana meron ako pa yung PM. 2014? 13. 13. Isa. After. Dito rin. After ata yung championship na yun. Malipat ako ni Mama. Nobali. Dito sa kabila. Nobali. Nobali. Kabila. Isa. Tapos sa inyo na rin. Dito lang din. Dito muna. Tapos second. Tapos doon sa kabila. Sa dalawa. Doon sa kabilang gate 9. Oo. Makadoon lang din yun. Isa. Alam ko isa. Gate 9 yan eh. Baka doon na nyo sa natin mamaya po. Pero huwag nyo muna confirm ha. Savior Nobel yun. Pero Savior Nobel ata. Kasi wala ba nila? Hindi ko yung panapon nila Jordan. Savior Nobel yun. Isa pa. Yung pang 11 yun. 11. Tapos 12 yun. Oh, after nung Nobel 12. Yun yun. Tingnan. Wala yung load ng ano ngayon. PM eh. Nakakaan sila ngayon eh. Connection eh. Okay, game time. Let's go. First goal. Ateneo basketball. There's a foul. Number 13 shooting on the line. No good. First basket mula sa Ateneo. Depano. Pass the call at the post. Back to Depano. Tan. Back to Tan. Titus. Kick out. Brody. No good. Rebound by Cole. Ooh. Too strong. Here comes Ateneo. Steal by Depano. Number 13. Wala. Number 1, no. Let's go, Xavier. Titus. To Depano. Yan, 4-3. No. Pass number 2. Oh. Basket count and 1. Time out, Xavier. (5-0) ang ating talaan. Time remaining 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Going back to the ball game. One a shot para jersey number 2. Score. Chico. Oh, steal. Shot out. Kaya Ma'am Gina and Sir Erwin Dan and the rest of our team receivers, good parents. Chico. Pass to Depano. Depano. Pull up jumper. Basket is good. Ayun na. We get the first basket. Is battle for third. Number 15. Oh, there's a foul, number 30. Let's go. 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Kao. Stefano. Pass to Jacob. Floater in and out. Sa foul. Basket is good for our savior. 7-4. Number 13. Let's go defense. Box out. Rebound by Jacob. Comes Jacob. Jacob nagmamadali at there's a foul. Number 5. Sorry, that's 13. Pasa. Let's go. Oop! There's a foul. Good foul. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. There's a shot. No. Outlet pass. Number 2. No good. Rebound by Jacob. Oh, steal. Number 15. At nakalusot doon. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Oh, steal. Number 13. Number 1. Pass to Yale. Titus, pass to Depano. Drop pass, steal. Time out. Malaki na ang kalamangan. 3 points daw po. Official scores 14, 10, and 4. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Go back to the ball game. Evo U coming in for Xavier. Out of bounds. You pass to Jaco. Jaco, walang tawag. Rebound by number 13, pass number 5. No good. Rebound by Depano.
Run!
4-3. No good. Rebound ng mga naka-blue. Sa foul.
Shooting in the line, jersey number 1.
Shout out to Miss IBM. Thank you for watching the game.
Ayan. Shoutout po kay Mrs. Yang Ivy. Magandang umaga po. Pinapalatid po yan ni Sir Jasper Yang is in my front. Magandang umaga po kay Mrs. Ivy Yang. Basket para sa atin, Leo. Here comes Jaco. Jaco. Oh. It's a foul. Yeah, shooting the line, jersey number 2. No good. Let's go, Jaco. Sixteen, 7. Number 5, kick off. Step back 3, no good. Let's go, Titus. Titus to Jaco. Jaco and gets a foul.
Somebody make one!
No good. Second shot para kay Jaco. Basket. Alright, baba sa 8. 8-point lead para sa atin Neo.
What do you want?
Numbers 1. Uy, nakalusot. Let's go, Titus. Titus to Jaco. Jaco, matangan na bola. Pass to Depano. Depano. Uy, wala.
Kagimi yan. Kagimi.
Ay, kanimi pala, sorry. Oh, sorry. Kagi.
Rebound!
Na-change siya pala sila, sorry. Abad. Rebound by you. Let's go. DeAndre. Kagi. Ayan na si Jaco. What a strong move by Jaco. Yang. Here comes number 5. Setting on the play. Pass to number 18. Back to number 5. What a ball movement. Looking for an open man. Umatake. Good defense. Ayun na. Block from behind. 24-second shot clock violation. Good defense para kay Kagi. Let's go. Jay Cohen gets a foul. That's penalty. Ateneo under penalty situation. Shooting the line, Jico Yang. No good. Time remaining, last 34 seconds. No good. Rebound. Wala na ang Ateneo. Ayan na. Basket count and one. Last 25 seconds. Titus floater, no good. Out of bounds. Last 6 seconds. 6.7 seconds. Wala na rin. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tira. Oy. Okay, and that's the end of our first quarter. Fishes score 21 and 10 in favor of the visiting team, ang Di Ateneo.
Diba galing siya sa case? Sige yan. Kapo, medyo ngayon nakukuha na pero ulang.
Okay, second quarter tayo. Okay, second quarter. Oh, steal by Titus. Titus to you. You with the floater. Wala. Pass number 5. Number 5 spin. Nakalusot. Number 30. Go. Oh. Steal ng Ateneo. Number 5, wala. Rebound.
Go down!
No good. Oh, steal. Almost. Pero naka-recover ang Ateneo. 24 seconds shot clock. Good. Let's go. Oy! Last touch. Same ball. Eight minutes and 11 seconds. Number 13. Catch and shoot. Alis ito naman ang matinaya dun. Let's go, bawi. Titus Stefano. Pass to Jerwin. Up and under. No. Brody gets a foul. Kyoto Brody on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Let's go, Brody. Second shot. Basket, that's good. Number 13, Ravel in violation. Here comes Stefano. Pass to Titus, steal by number 13. Number 1. Stefano for 3. Yes, sir.
Participate!
I need to in!
Number 23, no good. Rebound by Brody. Pass to Titus.
Attack!
To Jaco. Yang and 1. Basket count and 1 by Jaco Yang. Timeout, Ateneo. 27-16. Baba sa 11 na lamang ang hinahabol ng CJ Aaron. Let's go. Time remaining 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Basket. Mabasa 10 lamang ng Ateneo. Let's go. Oh! 6 minutes and 10 seconds. No good. Second shot, no. Rebound. Out that pass. Uy! Sayang, okay lang. Let's go. Let's go, bawi tayo. Number 4. Come on, defense. Number 13. Back number 1 to number 23. No good. Paano? To Jerwin. Pass to Titus. Back to Jerwin. Ooh, steal. Number 11 to number 1. Wala. Rebound. Brody with a steal. Good defense para kay Brody. Pass to Titus. Titus. Oy, wala. Rebound. Paano? Bang! Ayan na, baba na lamang sa single digit. 8-point lead para sa Ateneo. Number 13, and there's a foul. Let's go, 28-19. Chico. Pass to Cheng. Titus. Tepano for 3. Oh, no good. Rebound. Jaco and 1. Basket count and 1 para kay Jaco Yang. 21-28. Tama, coach. Babala lamang sa 7 ang linahabol ng ating home team. Bonus shot para kay Jaco Yang. Basket. 28-22. Baba na lamang sa 6. Ayan na, number 11. Number 11. And there's a foul. Shots. Basket. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Let's go. Titus. Oy. Out of bounds. Saber School Basketball. Depano looking for his teammate. Pass to Cheng. Hand off to Jaco. Jaco kick out. Depano for 3. Wala. Rebound. shot. No. Rebound by Brody. Pass to Jaco. Here comes Jaco. Sidestep. Oy! Miss it. Number 1 to number 13. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Kick out.
Your arm!
It's number 13 to number 2. Ilagay sa corner. No, rebound. Brody with a rebound. Pass to Jaco. Ayan na, si Jaco. Jaco with a strong move and gets a foul.
Breathe! Take your time, breathe!
Shooting the line, jersey number 2, Jaco Yang. The shot is good. Second shot. Oy, in and out. Number 5, pass to number 1. Jump shot. No, rebound by Brody. Pass to DeAndre. Andre. Stefano. Chen to Jaco. Jaco. Another foul. Gets a foul by Jaco Yang. Shooting for 2. 2 minutes and 1 seconds.
Take your time!
Let's
Take
go.
your time. Come on, breathe! 10 seconds yan!
Basket. Yes, sir. 24 at 30. Mabasa 6. Number 15 to number 5. Oh, steal! No. Almost. Number 3. Wala. And that's a jump ball. Substitution. Ball coming in. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. And Titus coming in for Cheng. Stefano. Here comes DeAndre. Back to Stefano. Stefano. Pass to Jaco sa loob. Jaco! Oh! Almost.
Take your time!
The shots para kay Jaco Yang. Uy! Isa pa. Take their time. Let's go, Jaco. Oh, good rebound. Ay, Jaco. What a strike. Wala pa rin. Go! Wala pa. Isa pa. Yay! Let's go. Pabasa 4. Ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. Number 1. There's a foul. Remaining time, last 57.
Shout out to Miss IVA. Thank you for watching the game.
Ayan, shout out po kay Mrs. Yang. Miss Ivy from...
I hope you're enjoying the game.
Thank you po. Basket. Ayan na, bumalik sa 8. Sa 6. Ang ating kalamangan. Let's go. Ayan na. Go. Wala. Isa pa. Uy. Steal. Let's go. Uy. Wala. Rebound. Let's go. Stefano, may taka ng bola. Stefano, crossover, pass to Cole. Cole, uy! Steal ng Ateneo. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Number 1. Running shot, wala. Rebound. Titus, may taka ng bola. Oh, steal! Number 15. Nakalusot doon. Let's go. Last 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4. Stefano for 3. Bang! And that's the end of our first half. Official score at 29-7-34. At the half. Nawang pa rin dito ang visiting team.
Yung score.
29-34 po. 5. Tama. Chip and play lang ako nakaligyan. Wala isang phone. Tumangkad si Jay Uno. Tumangkad. Dali mo na rin. Tuloy mo na rin. Tuloy mo na rin. Baby pa eh. Baby pa rin. Tumangkad. Ay, meron.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Ito iba na rin ah. Okay. Saan ba? Ano rin? Kasama ka. Andiyan ba siya?
Wala. Nanonood yan kasi kanina. Kasama ko sa papalay. Kaya pinalipat ko sa kabila.
Sabi lang dapat dito.
Dito dapat siya magana. Alam niya na meron. Kaya pinalipat ko. May laro din kasi isa.
Ay, sabay ka na. Sabay. Ano na siya kabila?
Doon sa kabila.
Alam mo siya yung kabila. Okay na. Ako. Ano. Sabi niya sige. Nalinis ko.
Tayo ba? Ayan, shoutout muna tayo kay Ma'am Aurel Batong. Hello, Xavier Boys. Galingan niyo for Riley. Relax. Ayan. Kay Mavi Torres din. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Shoutout muna tayo. Sabi ko ba?
Shoutout kay Boss. Shoutout kay Boss Benny.
Ang Boss Benny.
Benny po yun.
Benny. Sir Benny. Magandang umaga po. Ayan, sabay po ang ating game kanina. At ngayon nag-live ang isang team natin sa Aspirant. Okay, third quarter tayo. Let's go. 34-29. 5 na lamang po ang ating hinahabol.
Hands up!
Uy! Grabe naman ang footwork nun eh. Let's go! Uy! Nabitawan. Jacob. Binalik. Depano. Pass to DeAndre. Back to Depano. 6 seconds to shoot. Titus. Or 3. No. Jacob. Wala. Rebound dito ng Ateneo. Number 1. No good. Rebound by Cole. Depano, pass to Jaco. Jaco with a strong drive, too strong. Go! Wala! Rebound by Depano. DeAndre to Titus. Titus! Oy! Basket para kay Titus. Tang. Yan eh. Shoutout din po kay Coach E.Y. Tang. At kay Ma'am Kiza. Tang. Swell. Number 10. Oh.
Ay, isang...
There we go. Number 1 for 3. Okay, bola natin. Jump ball. Last ball possession. Baba sa 5 ang ating linahabol. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Pasa. Jaco. Pass to Riley. To Titus. Titus. Traveling violation. Here comes Ateneo. Kick out, 4-3. Makalusot. Let's go. Bawi tayo. Let's go. Xavier. Stefano to Andre. Ooh! Wala pa. Good defense.
Wala pa yun, nasa ka. Kukunin pala.
Abay!
24-second shot clock violation. Seven minutes and 2 seconds.
Come on!
So, there's a foul. Oh, steal. Number 13. Basket count. And 1. Okay, shooting the line is just number 13. Balik sa 11 ang lamang ng Ateneo. Oh, still. Pabawi. Time out ang ating home team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 48 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Problema natin, ayaw pumanap na yun natin.
Try to stand. Marubang. Substitution, Jerwin and DeAndre coming in. Kick out, number 13. Pass sa gitna. Oh! Yun na. Foul! Gets the foul. Here comes the Jacob. Oy, no good. Still. Back to Jacob. Reverse layup. And it's a foul. Shooting the line, Jacob. Yeah. First shot is good. Basket by Jacob.
Just kulang tayo sa laban.
5 minutes and 57 seconds sa ating third quarter. Oy, bad pass. Uy! Number 13, what an extra pass. Wala. Good defense and gets a foul. Number 18. Good defense to our savior. Let's go. Cheng. Pass to Dipano. To Jerwin. Out of bounds.
Approach!
Uy! Bad pass! Uy, wala! Let's go! Pass to Jerwin. To Jacob. Back to Jerwin. Cheng. Jerwin attacking the basket. Oy! It's a foul. Shooting for two. Jerwin time. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Jerwin running shot. Basket by Jerwin. 35-46. Baba na lamang sa 11-point lead ang Ateneo. Ay na ang pressure defense ng ating savior. Oh! Offensive foul! Let's go! Stefano. Pass to Jerwin, to Cheng. Back to Stefano. Hand up to Jerwin. Jerwin attacking the basket. No! Rebound! Jerwin with the ball. Jerwin floater block from behind. Ayun na ang Ateneo. Let's go defense. Number 5, crossover, drop pass, too strong, rebound by Brody. Let's go. Jerwin, ayun ang double team. Oh, steal by Cheng. Cheng. Lapit. Pass to Jerwin, bato. Agis. Pass to Jago. Jago up and under. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Ayun na, number 15. Pass number 2. Steal by Jago. Oy! Good defense by Jago. Substitution, Titus and DeAndre coming in. Substitution din ng Ateneo. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Let's go. Ayan na. Pass to number 1. Number 1 attacking the basket. No! Rebound by Jago. Pass to Titus from the elbow 3. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Oh! Ayun na, number 1. Nakalusot si number 1. Jaco, too strong. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 4, spin move. Oy! That's a travel. Time remaining 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Jaco, use the board! Jaco, use the board!
Titus. Pass to Gagi. Titus to DeAndre. Gagi, jump shot. Oy! No good. Steal by Jaco. Oy! Nabitawan. Another steal. Oh! There's a foul.
Nice play.
Good defense by Jaco, but there's a foul there. Ayun na, full court man-to-man defense tayo. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Ating third quarter. 13 ang inahabol ng ating home team. Let's go!
Nice.
Ayun na, binigay. Number 1. Crossover. Number 1, Hesi. Attacking the basket. Wala. Rebound. Ooh! And there's a foul. That's shooting the line. And here's number 8. Basket. 49-35 ang ating talaan. Second shot, no. Rebound. Good defense by Kyoto. Jaco attacking the basket. No. Rebound by number 4. Ayan na. Number 4. Number 1. That's a traveling violation. Remaining time, 1 minute left. $49-35. Let's go, Titus. Gagi, pass to you. Pass to Gagi. Gagi, running shot, no good.
Come on, defense!
Rebound by number 1. Out that pass, steal by DeAndre. DeAndre, you. Nagmamadali. Ay na, DeAndre! Uy! There's a foul. Remaining time, last 32 seconds. 2 shots para kay DeAndre Yu. Uy! Let's go! Get one. Wala! Rebound by number 8. Pass number 4. Nasa corner, jam shot, no good. Rebound, makuha dito. Yung number 13. Number 14. Nakalusot na naman ang Ateneo. Let's go. DeAndre, pass to Jaco. Out of bounds. Last 4 seconds. 4.2 seconds remaining. Let's go. Is it a quick steal? 4, 3, 2, 1. Good defense. Oy! May foul. Oh, wala. Okay, that's the end of our third quarter official score. 51-35 in favor of the Ateneo. Okay, we're going to the last and final quarter. 51-35 in favor of the visiting team. And muli, shoutout po sa ating mga walang sawang sumusuporta ng ating live. Andyan sila Sir Jerwin, sila Sir Erwin, and Ma'am Gina Ong. And Sir Erwin Tan, ang ganda din ang kanilang ang ating Saber School parents. Let's go. Kaya pa natin habulin yan. Let's go, Saber. Out, number 19, no good. Rebound. Number 4, out of bounds. Depano. Handoff. Chico. There's a foul. looking for his teammate. Papasa kay Brody. Brody, floater, no good. Out of bounds. Saver Skull basketball. Nice shot. Uy. Rebound natin ngayon. Number 13. Nagmamadali. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. No. Number 8. And score. Final to Jacob. Pass to Titus. Titus for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Silver Skull basketball. Timeout. Back to the ball game. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Wala natin. Depano from the corner 3. No good. Same ball. Uy, nice pass. Nice shot para kay Jaco. That's Jaco Yang at 37-53. Number 2. Comes number 4. Number 4. The guy kay number 8. Jump shot. No. Rebound by number 13. Number 4. Spin move. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Pass number 2. Pass number 8. Wala. Rebound by Jaco. Let's go, Jaco. Yang nagmamadali. Here comes Jaco. Sidestep. Uy! Brody beat a shot and gets the putback. 39-53. Nice shot there by Brody Kyoto. Oh, good! Good defense to our savior. 39-53 ang ating tanahan tayo. Substitution. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Bola rito ay na ang ating savior. Ayun na, sino tatanggap? Depano looking for his teammate. Binigay. Jaco. May tanga na bola. Jaco, pass to Depano. Pass to Titus. Titus. Hook shot, no. Out of bounds. Ateneo basketball. Here comes number 43. Binigay. Number 15. No good. Rebound by Brody. Brody pass to Yang. Let's go, Jaco. Jaco attacking the basket and one. Basket count. May kasama pang foul by Jaco Yang. 41-53. 1-point lead. Basket by Jago. 42-53. Ayun na. Number 6, pass number 13. Pass number 10, up and under, no good. Rebound by Brody. To Titus, no good.
Baba na, baba na!
Number 1 to number 10. Number 10, nabitawan. Time out. Saver. Time remaining 5 minutes and 31 seconds.
That's sa site ko. Pero 10 o'clock yung training. Kami apang kakilan.
Okay, yeah, we're back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball. Cross-court pass for 3. Wala. Rebound by Kyoto. You, passenger Jaco. Again. Strong drive. No. Rebound ng Ateneo. 3 against 2. Uy, wala. Number 13, pass number 5. Sa loob. No good. Rebound by Brody. Uy, bad pass. Nakalusot. Jago to Depano. Depano, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Titus coming in for Riley. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 1, good defense, out of bounds. Ateneo basketball. Traveling violation. Last 4 minutes. Uy! Traveling. substitution. Evo Yu coming in. That's it. 58-42. Titus to DeAndre. Depanov, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Evo and gets a foul. Evo Yu on the free throw area. Basket. Para kay Evo, 44-58. Ayun na, nagagawa. Good defense by Depano. You, Titus, or sorry, that's Jaco. Jaco, sidestep! Uy, in and out. Depano with a putback and a score. There's a foul. Number 5 to number 8. No. Uy. Out of bounds. Natawag ang ating referee doon. Good po yun. Bola natin. Titus to Depano. Pass to DeAndre. DeAndre. Jaco. Uy.
Go! Ball first! Sayang habol!
2 minutes and 2 seconds. Let's go. Bawi tayo dyan, Jaco. Let's go. We can do it. Let's go, Jaco. Let's go, team. Number 1, sidestep. No. Ayun na, steal by Jaco. Jaco. Pass to Evo. Evo to DeAndre. DeAndre and gets the foul. Good shot para you. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. So good. Second shot, basket para kay DeAndre Yu. Shout out din po kila Mrs. Aline and Mr. Yu. Ayun na, number 5. Uy. Let's go, habol. Ayun na. DeAndre, nagmamadali. Gustong makabawi. Uy. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 16 seconds. Steal number 1. What a nice defense. Once again for Jaco Yang. Bola na ang Ateneo. Pass number 13. Uy, wala. Rebound by Brody. Stefano Riley. Pass to Jerwin. Steal by number 15. Out at pass, number 1. Screen move. Uy, no. Rebound by Brody. Pass to Chico. Here comes Chico. DeAndre. Pass to Jerwin. Random shot. No good. Brody. Yes. Gets a foul. Oh, good. Basket. By Brody. Kyoto. Number 4, pass to number 18. To number 23, to number 18, and score. 62-48 at dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from ating home team, ang Sabres School, and congratulations to our Ateneo, our winning team, ang the Ateneo de Manila University. Alright? Third place po ang Ateneo. At tayo ang para sa fourth spot this season. Ayan. Our final score of 48-62. Congratulations both team, and a nice game to our savior for this season. We're going to see you next game. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and shoutout po to all the parents. Ayan, nakasama natin dito na ating live. A good game.
Do something